Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our project presentation. We have created an online train ticket booking system called Rail Ticket for our CSE 2211 DBMS project. I am Farhan bin Rabbani and my teammates Chaudhuri Shafaid Rahman. This is the list of frameworks that we used. We used React.js and Tailwind CSS for our front end. We used Fast API for our backend, and finally for our database we used PostgreSQL. The key features of our project include viewing the train info, booking of tickets, and verifying tickets. We also have a separate role for our admin. This is a snapshot of our view train info. Here you can see the users can check where the train's going. They can also check when the train's going to be available. They can also book their tickets by inputting their desired destination and time. They can select the coach of their choosing and also the number of tickets they want to book. They can also download the ticket after they've booked it. They can also verify their tickets by inputting their ticket ID and see whether their tickets are valid or not. And as for our separate roles for our admin, we can see the admin can add or delete an existing train. They can edit the schedule info for our any existing train, and lastly they can manage the bookings of the users who have accessed this website. That's it from me. I'm going to head over to Chaudhuri Shafaid Rahman for our project demonstration. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Chaudhuri Shafahid Rahman and my teammate Farhan bin Rabbani made this project for our CSE 2211 Database Management System lab course. This project is an online train ticket booking system called Rail Ticket. It is a database-driven application designed to simplify and automate the process of booking, scheduling, and managing train tickets. The tech stack we used is React.js for frontend, Fast API for backend, and PostgreSQL for database. Now let's take a quick overview of our project. Here, first we can see the landing page of our project. And if we click on this button, we can see the login page and sign up page. So as I am a new user, I'm going to sign up a new account. So here in the sign up section, we first enter our full name. Then we enter our email address. Then I will enter phone number. Then I will enter my password. Okay, then I will click register. So as you can see, it redirects me to the login page. Now, if I give my email and password, then login, then you can see we have successfully logged in. So after logging in, we can see the home page here. So in the home page, if we click on this button, we can see our profile. So here are all the information about our profile. So if we want to edit our information, we can go to edit profile, and then can change any attribute we want. This is how we can update our profile. Then we can also delete our account if we want. Now, if we go back to the home page, now if we want to see the information of any train, we can go to the train info. Here we can search for any train we want. So suppose I want to see the information about Sonar Bangla Express. Here we can see all the information about Sonar Bangla Express. So we can see the route information, also the schedule of the train. Now, if we want to book for a ticket, we go to the buy ticket section. Here we can make a booking. So we first select the from station, which is the starting point of our journey, and the to station, which is our destination. So suppose we want to go to Cox's Bazar. Then we enter the date of our journey. After that, we search for trains. Here we can see the search results, which gives us all the available trains. We can also see the routes of the train. These are the stations that the train will be covering to reach the destination. Now, if we want to see the tickets, here we can see all the tickets with their availability and their prices. So suppose I want to buy this ticket. So I click on this. Here we can see all the details about our journey. Here we can see the details about our train, our booking, and information about the coach we will be on board. So here we select the number of tickets. After confirming our booking, we select confirm ticket. So here it says the ticket has been confirmed successfully. We get a booking ID and we also get allocated seats. So now here we can also download the ticket. So we can see here the text file that shows our ticket and all the information about the ticket. Then we will be redirected to My Tickets page. In this page, we will be able to see all the information about the tickets we booked. You can see information about our past trips and also the upcoming trips. Now, if we want to verify a ticket, we can click the verify ticket and enter the booking ID, then click verify. Here we can see that our ticket is verified and it is authentic. You can see all the information about the ticket. We also have an admin profile for this application. The administrator will be able to manage the whole system. If we log in as an admin, we provide the email address of admin. We will give the password. Now we have entered the admin dashboard. Here we can see the overview of our system. We can see the number of users, trains, bookings, and the generated revenues, etc. We have a graph that shows the monthly revenue and bookings in the railway. Here we can see the booking numbers of each train. So if we, as an admin, we want to update any train, we can click the edit button, then update if we want. So this way we can update a train. We can also add a new train and delete an existing train as an admin. Then we can manage the schedules of a train. We can see all the schedules here, and we can also edit any schedule here if we want. Then we can also manage the bookings here. Here we can see all the bookings and their status. This is our overall admin dashboard. If we click the refresh button, we will see the updated information. So this was all the features of our project. Thank you.